Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install our RedmineUP Agile plugin on the Redmine 7, which is the latest Redmine until the current moment, and my operating system is Ubuntu Linux 26.04. So this means this is the long-term support Ubuntu that was released on April this year, 2026. Okay, so currently we see that we have Redmine 7.0 stable version. It is important that our plugins are prepared to work on stable version, not on a dev one. So we see that it is successfully installed, and we do not have any plugins here installed yet. We see no plugins installed. Okay, so I have already downloaded the Agile, sorry about that, the Agile plugin latest version, which is until now 16.14 version, and it is located in my home folder and downloads afterward, downloads folder of the home folder. Okay, so I open my terminal, so write down terminal and navigate to my home folder, downloads folder, double check to see if the file is there. So yeah, this is it. This is the zip file of our Agile. So we copy this file to a destination that is this one. So my Redmine is located into this directory. So it is up to you actually where you would like to place your Redmine. I have currently installed it into this directory. So we copy the Redmine file into this directory. Okay, so we click enter. Just I forgot to put the sudo. Okay, so I place my password. So the file should be copied now. So let's check. We go to the files again. So we see that it is still here, the one that is in the downloads folder, but the one should be copied in the other folder. So we write the path now. Okay, plugins. Yeah, so we see that we are now into this directory, Ubuntu var www html redmine plugins, and our plugin is successfully copied here. Alright, so we return back to our terminal, and now we have to navigate to the directory of the plugin itself. Okay, list the files to double check and see if everything is fine. Yeah, the plugin is there. So we unzip this file by the unzip command, unzip, and then the zip file. Oh, sorry, I forget one more time the sudo. So yeah, we see that it is successfully unzipped. We double check again with listing the files. Yeah, we see that our Redmine Agile folder is here. If you'd like, you could check also in the files directory here. So we see Redmine Agile is successfully unzipped. All right. So we're almost there. Actually, we are on half of our way. Now we have to move our terminal to be located into the previous directory. So change directory, 2 points, and we are now returned into the Redmine directory. The next commands should be executed there. So this is very important. Not in the plugins directory, but in the core Redmine directory. Okay, so we execute now the bundle install command, which is the command that is going to install all the needed gems for the Agile plugin to be able to work. Okay, so we hit enter. Oh, sorry, I forgot the sudo one more time. So, yeah. yeah, we see that it is now completed. 5 installed gems. You directly depend on looking for funding. Run bundle fund for details. Actually, bundle complete. Here it is. 54 gems dependencies, 150 gems now installed. So this is the thing that we were looking for. Our gems are now successfully installed. Okay, so the next command that we need to run is the migration command. This is also a very important command. So this is sudo bundle exec rake Redmine plugins. Okay, name is Redmine Agile. This is actually the name of the folder itself. So this is Redmine/Agile. All right, so we return back to our terminal and also write Rails env. This is the environment that we install our plugin. This is the production. So Rails env production. So this is it. We hit on enter now and see that our migrations run successfully and everything is fine now with the migrations. Good. So the very last thing that we need to do now is to just restart our Redmine. So this happens in the following way. So this is our Redmine running here on this command. So I just close the terminal and our Redmine is now closed. All right. So okay, I will close this terminal as well and open a new window with new terminal. So now I changed the directory to the Redmine folder, Redmine core folder, and yeah, execute this command. This command starts my Redmine again. Sudo bundle exec rel server e production. All right, I put my sudo password and see that my Redmine has started. Now I return back to the browser where my Redmine is and just refresh the page to see what will happen. And see that I have the Redmine Agile plugin successfully installed. This is the latest Redmine, the latest Agile plugin version on the latest Redmine version. So yeah, if I go to projects now and create a new project, I see that I have the Agile available because we have just installed it now. So yeah, I hope this video was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the video, and so on. And if you have some problems or questions with the installation of Agile on Redmine 7 or any other problems that are bothering you, please contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.